Your question is the constitutional status has been given to panchayats under article. Your options are A 226, B 243, C 239 or D 219. Right answer is B 243. Your question is the 11th schedule of the constitution is related to which of the following? Your options are A municipality, B panchayati raj, C center state relationship or D removal of corruption. Answer is B panchayati raj. Your question is which one of the following articles of the Indian Constitution provides for all Indian services? Your options are A Article 310, B Article 311, C Article 312 or D Article 313. The answer is C Article 312. Your question is special provision regarding financial bills is given under. Your options are A Article 117, B Article 119, C Article 121 or D Article 123. Right answer is A Article 117. Your question is which one of the following is not correctly matched? Your options are A Article 39A Equal Justice and Free Legal Aid, B Article 40 Organization of Village Panchayats, C Article 44 Uniform Civil Code or D Article 48 Separation of Judiciary from Executive. Right answer is D Article 48 Separation of Judiciary from Executive. Your question is which article of the Indian Constitution provides right to vote, that is adult suffrage for electing representatives of Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha? Your options are A Article 326, B Article 325, C Article 324 or D Article 323. Right answer is A Article 326. Your question is under which article of the Indian Constitution there is provision for the high courts for union territories? Your options are A Article 240, B Article 241, C Article 242 or D Article 239. Right answer is B Article 241. Your question is which one of the following is matched correctly? Your options are A Article 17 Equality before law, B Article 78 Establishment of Parliament, C Article 192 Salaries and Allowances of Parliament Members or D Article 352 Proclamation of Emergency. Right answer is D Article 352 Proclamation of Emergency. Your question is in which article of the Constitution the adult suffrage is recognized? Your options are A Article 324, B Article 325, C Article 326 or D Article 327. Answer is C Article 326. Your question is which of the following is correctly matched? Your options are A. Part 2 of the Constitution Fundamental Rights, B. Part 3 of the Constitution Citizenship, C. Part 4A of the Constitution Fundamental Duties or D. Part 5 of the Constitution Directive Principles of the State Policy DPSP. Right answer is C. Part 4A of the Constitution Fundamental Duties. Your question is which of the following is not correctly matched? Fundamental right article. A. Abolition of untouchability Article 17, B. Protection against arrest and detention Article 23, C. Freedom of religion Article 25 or D. Protection of interest of minorities Article 29. Right answer is B. Protection against arrest and detention Article 23. Your question is which of the following is not correctly matched under the Constitution of India? Your options are A. The Panchayats Part 9, B. The Municipalities Part 9A, C. The Cooperative Societies Part 9B or D. Tribunals Part 10. Answer is D. Tribunals Part 10. Your question is, which of the following is not correctly matched? Your options are A. Fundamental Duties Part 4A, B. The States Part 6, C. Attorney General of India Part 13, or D. Services under the Union and States Part 14. Right answer is C. Attorney General of India Part 13. Your question is, which of the following is correct about the heading of the Article 162 of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Executive power of state, B. Conditions of governor's office, C. Term of the office of governor, or D. Extension of executive power of state. Right answer is D. Extension of executive power of state.